Hello and welcome back to my channel. I was saying last time that I am going to be coming out with a beauty care, skincare, hair care haul. I haven't been buying a lot of makeup, but for some reason when Sephora had their free shipping, so I have a list of what I wanted to show you guys of what I got. So first item, I'm just going to be starting off with the brand EGCG. So I've seen this brand on a couple of beauty vloggers channels, and I never thought to ever buy them, but I saw them one day at my local Winners, which is a TJ Maxx company, and I decided to try it out. And honestly, after the first product, I instantly loved the brand. So I brought 3 products. So for the first one, I haven't tried yet, but it is the De-Frizz and Anti-Static Spray. So here in Vancouver, winters get pretty dry and cold, so I wanted to buy this because my hair gets everywhere. Just imagine having to put on a parka and then your hair is just staticky all over the place. So I definitely wanted to get this for the winter. And all you have to do is spray it on static or damp hair to calm the frizz down. So the next one that I got is, this is the limited edition summertime spray. So this is a hair lightening product, but it's teamed up I think with Frankie's Bikinis, which is interesting. But this is pretty much, I guess, a lightening spray. I don't really know how it works, but I tried it once and I kind of saw maybe a little difference. It kind of just made my hair a little textured for sure. Then once you put it on, the spray gets activated by the heat of the sun, or if you hair dry it, then your hair will apparently lighten. And then the last product I got from EGCG is the Beach Club, which is a texture spray to help you get natural beach waves. I use this probably as also a kind of a dry shampoo because the smell is just amazing. I think one time I wore it and my friend was like, "Oh, are you wearing sunscreen?" But literally it was my hair. So next hair item is the Bumble and Bumble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil Primer. So I think I got my first one on a FabFitFun box, and I was like, okay, might as well just try it. Sprayed it all the time. Smells great, and I could definitely tell a difference. It made my hair very smooth, soft. I've tried other sprays after the shower, and this one can't compare to those. This is my holy grail, so I literally had to get it again. I went to every Sephora in store, they always sold out, so I just ended up ordering it online, and then I got it, so I'm super happy. If you guys haven't tried it, you need to. Honestly, if you want to take care of your hair, this is the way to go. Last hair product is the Amika dry shampoo. I also got a mini version inside the FabFitFun box, and usually dry shampoo is dry shampoo, but this one smells amazing. I've tried other dry shampoos and I would always get a headache from just constantly smelling it wherever I go. So this one I really recommend. It is also a little pricier, but this will not disappoint you. On to skincare. So I grew up not taking really good care of my skin. I recently got a professional facial done, and she pretty much told me what was wrong with my skin. So she gave me a couple of products to try out, and what really made me stuck with what she recommended was the Ordinary products. So I know TikTok made this viral, but Ordinary, it was very affordable and really good reviews, so why not? So I got 4 Ordinary products. The first one is the, okay, I'm a butcher saying this, but the niacinamide 10% with zinc 1%. So this is supposed to go before your creams, and this is for acne scarring or just blemishes on your face. So you want to put this on AM and PM. So I would do it in the morning and I would do it at night. And the second product I got was the caffeine solution, 5% plus EGCG, which is for your eyes. So apparently this is supposed to help your eye contour. So I'm guessing like around your eye, like help like brighten it up because it does have caffeine in it. So this would go also AM and PM, right like before anything. The third product, which is I don't normally use like a lot, but this is the 100% plant derived hemisqualane. So this could be for your face or your hair. So I wanted to get for my hair, but so far past times that I've tried it, it made my hair like very textured and like not smooth, so I wasn't like really a big fan of it. But like sometimes I'll like put it on if like I really want to. I never tried it on my face yet, so this is pretty much just for the hair for me. And then last one is the 100% organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil. So this one is supposed to go only on at night. I don't necessarily put it on all the time because it just makes my skin like really oily, and I didn't like really like that when I was sleeping. But here and there I'll put a couple of drops on my face and you can definitely see the results. This is for all skin types, so anybody can use this. Next is the CeraVe renewing lotion. So I have bumps on my legs. I don't shave because I don't really grow any hair on my legs, but for some reason I have like bumps, which is like I think for hair that hasn't like come out yet, so outgrowth hairs. But I like to put this on after my shower, after I've scrubbed down, and this actually helps a lot to make the bumps disappear and my like skin smooth. So the hype of CeraVe is actually like pretty good. I'm pretty sure like TikTok made this famous. I don't know why, but dermatologists recommend this and I would say that it is pretty good. Next items I got from Glossier. I like wanted to buy them just because the packaging was so pretty. So I actually wanted like the cream, so it just like pops out like this and it just has like the cutest packaging ever. The only thing is the smell isn't that great. I think it's more just for like, oh, like this is like hydrating hand cream, like it doesn't need to smell great, it just needs to make your like skin soft. So I was a little disappointed without that. But overall it's just like an emergency cream, and then very like cute to like put in your purse. And then the other thing that I got was the priming moisturizer, which I was very surprised on. So it's like a cream, but it's supposed to prime your face and you can build on it. So whenever I like put this on, I put my concealer on, and I don't like it how my concealer is like cakey after, so putting this on before is definitely a must because it makes my skin creaseless and it's super smooth and buildable. So I really do recommend this for sure. And then the last items that I got for skincare is the Belif collection. So I've never heard of this brand, but my mom one day was like, oh yeah, like, you know, there's like a Korean skincare coming, it's called Belif, you should try it. So she got me to try the travel like series just to see like how I liked it and stuff, and I love it. Like the smell is just amazing, it smells fresh, it like definitely works with my skin. So I use the Aqua Bomb jelly cleanser in the shower and just to clean my face, and instantly when you take it off you can definitely feel like a really clean face. And then after I put on the True Cream Aqua Bomb, so this is kind of like a gel kind of like texture, super lightweight, and like I hate oily creams that are on my face, so this definitely is like my favorite and it smells great. So this one, it says that it gives you 70% hydration, and yeah, I definitely want to try the aloe vera collection, and they have toners as well, so I really want to try that out when it comes out for sure. Now I'm moving on to makeup, my favorite, but I'm gonna start off with the brand 3CE. So they're a Korean brand and they were having a sale online. The only thing that sucks was I had to pay duties and it was a lot for each package. So I only got like 3 items in total. So one was just a hand mirror, and then the first one was this compact. And then this is the soft matte fit cushion in soft nude. So it honestly, the packaging is so cute. It comes with like a little like raindrop cushion, and then inside is like this. So since it is Korean, my skin is a little dark for this, but I think once like it sets into your face, it really like matches your tone, and it's not cakey at all. Like, I love how I use this like as a foundation, because I don't normally use foundation, but if I like really want to, you know, glam it up one day, I will use this and it will last me the whole day without like any rub off. But definitely not a disappointment for sure for K-Beauty. And I also got this cloud lip tint. So something about like Korean beauty, the products are just so like soft and like buttery smooth, and like this one does not dry my lips out at all. So I like definitely would say like this is one of my favorite like Korean beauty like products. I'm pretty picky on like lip products because my lips get dry pretty easily and then they start to crack with the lipstick. So I'm like very glad that I got this item. So it's kind of like this like carrot pink, that's what it's called, carrot pink. So it's like this coral kind of like red shade, and I like really love that because I definitely want my lips to stand out. And another Korean beauty product I got is from Kaja. So this is the Earhart lipstick. This is in the shade Baby Girl. So this is kind of like a nude, kind of like pinky, but I love like the shape of it. It's like a heart, and this is what it's gonna look like. So like mauve nude color. I like love that shade, and this is definitely like an everyday kind of wear, and it also doesn't make my lips dry either, so I love that. The next product I got was from Benefit. This is the Boing Hydrating Concealer. So I was looking for another concealer. I usually use the Cakeless Concealer from Benefit. So I wanted to try something that would hydrate my skin more. So they recommended this. So if you look at it, there's like, the concealer is on the inside, but then around it, it has this kind of like gel Vaseline kind of like thing. So once you put it on, it hydrates around the concealer, and then when you blend it in, it's just so much easier to blend because it has like that moisture and like that moisturizer to help. This might be my favorite concealer right now. The thing is, it's a very lightweight, so it doesn't have much coverage to it. So sometimes I'll put this on and then I'll put my Cakeless concealer right on top of it, just because like there's already moisture on it, so it's just like that extra coverage. But I definitely like the packaging of it, and it's like so cute. Now this next product, it's a little I wanted to spoil myself for a little bit, but this is the Yesstyle lip tint lip balm. So I got it customized. This is my last name on it, and you open it, it has like a little lip on it, and this is kind of like a very sheer, like you can't really see it because it's supposed to be a lip balm, but I wanted something that I could like put on like every day. And this is definitely very moisturizing and just very subtle, because not every day is like I want to like color my lips. I just want something like very like easy to put on. Last brand and item is from Colourpop. I love Colourpop, like it's my like favorite brand like out of everything. It's so affordable and I love their products. Okay, let's get into it. So first is this brown eyeliner. I'm wearing it right now, but I can't know if you tell. But I wanted a soft brown eyeliner just to have my looks like more soft looking and subtle. Like black definitely stands out, so I wanted kind of like a brown kind of look. And overall, like I love it. It's like, I'm like pretty picky on my eyeliners, but this one is like pretty good, and it's called Grande. So it is a felt tip liner and it's like so precise. Next is this freckle pen. I don't know if you can tell, but I have some like fake freckles right now. I like love this. I know some people like use like their brown eyeliners, but I kind of wanted like the actual freckle pen, just because like when you dot your face, it's more like how do you say it, not as pigmented, so it's like more natural, and then I would just pat my face and then it gives me this flawless like freckle look. So it's so cute, and like I don't regret buying this. Next is this Just a Tint lip product. So these are my favorite lip products. They're like lip crayons, and this is in Z Boy, so it's kind of like another like nude kind of brownish color, and this helps like moisturize my lips. I love the lip crayons because it's so easy to put on. It's like nice and subtle, and it helps hydrate your lips for sure. And I also tried the falsies at Colourpop, so I'm wearing them right now. These are called Chic or Chick, but they're 100% cruelty free, and they're so soft. Like I am like shook on this product because normally I was like a little skeptical of like other brands of like lashes, and then I tried them out and like honestly like love them, and they're very affordable and super like long lasting, so I would definitely buy these more in the future. Last two products were these two sprays. So this one is a 4th Ray Glistening Up Illuminating Mist. I would say that it gives you a little bit of like sparkles on your face. It's very hydrating, it smells great. I'm not exactly sure what you're supposed to really use it for, but I think it's just supposed to add some like more illumination to your face. And then the last spray I got was the Pretty Fresh. This is the hyaluronic acid setting mist. So like I was looking for a setting mist. I've been using, I think, Makeup Forever's mist, and I'm not like a big fan of it, so I wanted to try this out. So far so good. It smells great, and I can't really tell a difference on setting mist, but my makeup stays on all day and I love it. So that is the end of my skincare, hair care, and makeup haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will maybe do another one in the future, but we'll see how much I decide to buy on makeup. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment below what you recommend and let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video.